G'day everyone, Uncle Jojo, warm cheek into another Rip-Roaring episode. Great to see you all again. Today we're going to be talking about laying particle board flooring. Flooring's come a long way over the last 20 odd years, and what we use now as a substrate on the top of our joist is a particle board flooring to cover big areas of floor quickly and safely. We used to lay floorboard after floorboard and just nail it as we went along and then cramp it together, and we were able to fit it off like that, but it would take quite a while. So a video you're going to watch today, after doing all of our straightening of our posi struts or our deep joists, we were then able to pass up all of our particle board sheets and nail them down as we went. Particle board sheet flooring comes in large sections and in different colours. They've got nicknames, red tongue, green tongue, yellow tongue, just to name a few, and that's the colour of the tongue, plastic strip that's inside them. They work the exact same way as an old tongue and groove floorboard worked, just in a much bigger piece. So most particle board flooring sheets will come in a 900 wide or 3 foot by 3.6 long, which is 12 foot. They also come with a coating on the top of them, so they're weather resistant for up to about 3 months in the weather, which is really beneficial. It creates, by putting these down first, it creates a substrate for us to work off nice and safely, so then we can start installing our wall frames, etc. We used to lay our raw timber floorboard after all of the wall frames were in position, and it left gaps. We'd have to be walking and balancing over deep joists as we were putting up frames. By doing this system, we don't have to do any of that. We put this down first as a substrate, and then we're able to walk over it and use it. Then once we're actually fitting off the house, what we do is we cover the particle board floor with either carpet or floorboard, or there's a few other options as well, just to mention a few. We glue every sheet as we go, and we cut them to size. So you're going to see a video quickly now, and it's going to go over all of that. So if you've got any questions about particle board flooring and putting down your particle board floor, please flick it over for me and I'll answer it for you best I can whenever I can. Thanks for watching, and like always everyone, stay unreal, banana peel. I'll see you in the soup.